Yo, what's going on YouTube? So we got a new product here. It's from AoHi, AoHi. I don't know how to pronounce it, but it's basically a new inversion of the MagCube. PD 40 watts, which is more than what Apple provides on their new MacBooks. We're going to be testing this out here. So it has two USB Type-C ports. It charges 40 watts. It's a slim and compact design, and it's very inexpensive. As you can see, it has a little handle here. So on the back of the box it says the output ratage and all that information if you want that. The dimensions there. It weighs 80 grams apparently and it has 7 colors. Pretty nice. Let's get into it here. Okay, so on top looks like it had this little thing. I have no idea what this means, but you know, you got that. And then right here you have the little power supply. Wow, this is really thin. So satisfactory card if you're happy, unhappy, you can open that side. Got a user manual here, so just showing you specifications, quick start guide on how to use it. You can use it with your phone, laptop, whatever you need to do. It'll basically smart charge it, split it up, and do whatever it needs to do. I'm pretty sure this should have, yeah, it does have safety and visual charging state. It's compact, so it has charging safety features while giving you a very compact and fast charging at the same time. I will compare this to a few other ones I have, but this one is very, very slim. Look at that, look how slim that is. That form factor on it, very nice. You got two USB Type-C PD ports, meaning it's a fast charge capable, and you got foldable prongs, which is very helpful. And this goes right into the wall, and instead of having it like directly like this and it drags the cable and then you can easily take it out or, you know, break the cable that way, you get pretty much the prongs on, or the charging ports on the bottom, which is a newer feature, which just looks nicer. I don't know why there's so much dust on here. So right here we do have a 65 watt, I believe, GAN charger. This is a 40 watt GAN charger. So as you can see, it's a very, very slim, compact design. Very slim. I do have a 30 watt GAN charger in here. So this one, very similar. Pretty compact, but this is still very slim. Look how slim that is. It's not going to protrude out a lot. It's probably not going to cover a whole lot. I'll test out if it covers the whole outlet or not, since this one has a smaller form factor and most of them have smaller form factors. Narrow the outlets so it's able to plug in more on a power strip or something like that. Also have one of these Basius one of the number one selling 65 watt GAN chargers here. Once again, foldable as well. This one's 65 watts. As you can see, that's the difference. This one I don't like a whole lot because it does drag down. This one also drags down because of the prongs. Because it's so heavy on like basically this side, it drags the prongs out and it sometimes falls out of the wall. This one has a nice flush design, so it actually stay against the wall and all the weight is counterbalanced and it basically just help it out. I like that these do have very small form factors, as you can see. Very small compared to everything else that I own. And that's really, really nice. So that's what you're paying for this. You're getting a small form factor with two USB Type-C ports, which most of these do have USB Type-C, and then they have an additional USB-A. I personally don't use the USB-A, and I think it's pretty useless. You get two fast charging ports, which equally split up to about 20 watts each. Depending on the device, it will smart charge. So if you have a iPhone on one end, it'll smart charge to 18 watts max and then split the other one up to like a laptop and give more power to the laptop. It'll smartly do that. And it looks like it does have an LED indicator on the front. This is a very nice, I never had yellow before, so it'll look really nice. It'll be really hard to lose this because it's a bright color, as opposed to something white or black that can easily be lost within furniture, the floor, and dark areas, behind your, in the bed, on the closet, in the closet, you know. No, I'm playing. All right, so we have it here. I will go ahead and plug it in. I only have one outlet right now, so we're gonna go ahead and plug it into one of these here, just for fun. You can plug it upside down as well, so that's nice. Very slim, actually. Look how flat that is against the wall. It won't basically move. It's like right there. It's really nice. So you can do that. You could plug in your stuff, flip it around, which you don't have access to the bottom ports if it was flipped around. And really quick, let me turn this off. So I have a power strip right here. Let's go and see if it'll fit. Looks like it does not fit right there. See if it'll take up multiple slots. So I'm gonna plug this in here. So as you can see, it kind of protrudes out a little bit onto both sides. I'm gonna see if you're able to plug something else in here. Yeah, you kind of can. So yeah, it depends on the space, but it doesn't protrude out a whole lot. It's kind of like normal AC outlets here. So as you can see, the normal size power bricks for everything else. It's about the same size. It has a nice glow to it. It's subtle. It's not super bright, but you can definitely see it. And the build quality is amazing. Like the prongs on it are very strong, and it has the little accent colors within the actual device here, and it looks nice. I'm really surprised at how nice this looks. It's actually really good. Really good looking for sure. And then all you have to do is really just pair this with a, iPhone, Android device. All right, so I have it plugged in to my little power strip down there, as you can see. It's very hard to miss, it's yellow, so I'm pretty sure you're able to see that. I'm gonna plug it in. I have my iPhone cable plugged in right now. I'm gonna try to do this with one hand, and it works, as you can see. 65% so far, and it should fast charge for just a few days and see if it gets hot, and I'll come back to you within a few days to see if it's actually hot, because that's one of the deal breakers. If it gets hot, then that's kind of bad for some products. But all right, so I've been using the AoHi or whatever it's called for roughly around a week or two. It's an amazing product. It's very slim, small form factor, and you have obviously two USB ports. And it being 40 watts is game changing because it's fast charging for both your phone and or your laptop if you choose to do so. It does have an LED indicator on the front here, which is very nice and help. Foldable prongs, which are very satisfying to actually like go up and down or whatever. It's very easy to do. Like it's really nice and really easy. So I like that. Very stiff prongs, very nice, but they're easy to use and very nice. So obviously PD charging on the front. I love the color yellow, especially in a world of tech where everything's black and white, most popular colors, and they're neutral, they go with everything. Having a change of color, especially a power charger that gets lost easily, you can just get a purple light, or if you have LED strips, do it purple. You can easily spot it from a mile away. You can even spot it anywhere, basically a mile away. It's yellow. I mean, not a lot of things I have in this room are yellow, and I doubt you guys would have anything as bright as this being yellow. They have multiple colors. Having just multiple colors of a charging brick or something like that adds variety of taste through to your tech, and it actually helps you make it easier to find it, easier to coordinate it, rather than having something like this, black or white. It's small, it's easy to lose, especially if it's a black one because it's harder to see, especially at night. This, I'm easily able to see it at night and in day, and even if it gets lost, it's super easy to find. It just brings the charger down, and it sometimes takes out the charger completely from the wall. I've had that happen multiple times from this one and the other one I have as well, and it's annoying. It's really annoying. This one doesn't get hot. This one is perfect. This is the perfect charger. I'm so happy that they started making something similar to this, and it's very similar to the one Apple sells, but I believe Apple has a 35-watt charger for this, so it's a little bit faster than that, than the one made by Apple, and you can get your own colors. I believe they have multiple colors available. I will check them out in the link description. I don't know the pricing. I believe they're 20 to 30 bucks, maybe cheaper. If it's cheaper, then buy it now. But if it's 20 to 30 bucks, maybe buy one. Check it out. It's really amazing. I really do love it. What a wonderful buy. So yeah, see you guys next one.